Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn colors with farm animals. Let's get started. Orange. One, two. Orange. Now we have pink. Pink. Now yellow. Let's stir the yellow up. Yellow. Now we've got teal. And they had a little bit of pink in it, and it turned it a little bit purple. A purplish blue. Now we've got green. Green. Orange, pink, yellow, blue, and green. Here's a tan horse. Let's put this tan horse into the pink water. Now we have a pink pig. Our pink pig wants to go into the yellow water. Gray goat. This gray goat wants to go into the blue water. White rabbit. Our white rabbit wants to go into the green water. And we have a yellow chicken. Our yellow chicken is going to go into the orange water. So we have pink water and a tan horse, yellow water and a pink pig, blue water and a gray goat, green water and a white rabbit, and orange water and a yellow chicken. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!